Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Tess. Today I'm going to go over the hair products for blondes that have kept my hair the most icy and ashy and strongest that it's ever been. So I'm going to do this in kind of reverse order. I'm going to start with hairsprays and then we'll end with shampoo and conditioner. I'll leave timestamps down below for where each type of product is in the video in case there's only a certain type of product you care about. First up is the Protectant that I'm loving. You can use on dry or wet hair, and it is by Moroccan oil. This is the perfect defense for all hair types. Protect 450 degrees Fahrenheit thermal protectant. It smells so good, like all their Moroccan oil products do. I think they all kind of have the same scent, and it's a very fine mist. Like I could go crazy just spraying this on my hair because it just smells so good, and it doesn't make your hair greasy. I'm obsessed with this. My hairdresser recommended this to me, and it is definitely my favorite thermal protectant that I have tried. But another product that isn't absolutely necessary by any means, but that I do love, and I do find that even though the purple shampoo I've been using keeps my hair ashy and icy, and it is the highest quality purple shampoo I've used in my opinion, it still can get rid of some of the shine in your hair naturally. That's just what those are going to do. And so I love the Kenra Shine Spray. It says instant weightless shine spray. That's what it is. It doesn't make my hair look greasy, just adds a nice lightweight shine. And because I don't use this too often, like it takes me forever to go through a whole bottle, but I love this stuff. So I rarely blow dry my hair, which I find definitely helps keep it from breaking since it is blonde. When I do blow dry my hair though, I like to use the Caviar Style Satin Rapid Blowout Balm. I love this stuff. I just feel like it smooths my hair. I feel like it protects my hair from the blow dryer. Like I said, I rarely blow dry my hair, but when I do, I definitely like having a balm or protectant on it. Now, so if I am blow drying my hair, then something else I do love using on wet hair is a root mousse, because I love having a lot of volume at my roots, and it's something I kind of struggle with. My favorite volume mousse that I've tried that I put in my wet hair is the Amika The Perfect Body Whipped Mousse. I really like this. Any mousse you have to be careful with when you're putting it in your hair at your roots while it's wet, because it can leave like a crunchy feeling, but this I get that the least with. I also have the Moroccan Oil Root Boost. This is for fine to medium hair, and this I use for the same reason. However, I do prefer the Amika over the Moroccan Oil one. I find that this one I feel like is a little less crunchy at my roots than this one, but they both work great, so I definitely recommend either of these. Something I do love using on my dry hair to also give my hair more volume. I've always loved any sort of root powder to give your hair volume, and I've been loving the Redken Power Grip Mattifying Hair Powder.
Power Grip Mattifying Hair Powder.
Of course, I only wash my hair like once a week, so I love this as well to absorb any oil and give me volume at the same time. These powders, as well as dry shampoo, you know, cannot be the best for your hair because they can clog up your natural oil glands. But for me, the benefits outweigh the cost, and I love this stuff. So if you are the same and you enjoy root volume with a powder, definitely recommend. If you never tried one of these, definitely recommend you just shake it onto your roots, and then you can tease, and it really gives you great volume, which obviously teasing isn't the best for your hair either, but you know, we gotta pick and choose our battles here. I also enjoy the Kenra Dry Volume Burst Instant Soft Hold Volumizing Spray. This is a number 3, so this can also make your roots crunchy if you aren't careful. It gives you great hold. It's that volume and hold that you need if you're doing like a long night out and you want big volume at your roots, but like you also want your hair to hold, because depending on the texture of your hair, you know, some of our hair holds better than others, so I do really like this. As far as dry shampoo, that's the one area where I'm not willing to spend a lot of money, and I do love Batiste. I know some people love it, some people hate it. For me, I don't mind the white cast because I have blonde hair. To me, it almost helps when my roots start showing. I like the white cast to help me like look kind of blonder again, but you know, it's all your preference. Once again, dry shampoo can clog up your natural oil glands, so I've heard, but I still think the benefit outweighs the cost because it keeps me from having to wash my hair as much, and washing less is what helps my hair stay strong. So my other favorite dry shampoo is the Not Your Mother's Plump for Joy dry shampoo. I've always loved the Not Your Mother's dry shampoo, but lately I've really been on their Plump for Joy one. Like, I've been on a kick with this one, so definitely recommend. Okay, so moving on to hair mask, I do have the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Of course, this is used in salons. Like, I've been in so many salons where they've used this. Blondes rave about it, and I do really like it. I've barely used any of it. A little goes a long way, but this is the number 3 to repair and strengthen all hair types. Once again, I feel like this product speaks for itself because it really blew up. It's pretty pricey, but like I said, it will last you a while, so I definitely do recommend this. Another mask that I absolutely love, and I love it just as much as my Olaplex, which I don't know if that's weird, but it is the Macadamia Nourishing Repair Mask. And this says for medium to coarse textures, which the texture of my hair is definitely fine. It's not medium or coarse, and I love this, and I don't think it weighs down my hair. Once again, I just feel like when you have blonde hair, because your cuticle is constantly open, you really want to prevent breakage. And so if I'm not using the next shampoos that I'm talking about, like, I almost always use a mask with my conditioner if I'm not using the purple conditioner and shampoo that I'm about to show you, just because for me that's like huge on keeping my hair looking healthy. For me, using a mask is like so important, and I do it a lot, and that's what's really helped make a difference in keeping my hair ashy and strong. So I love this mask. Doesn't weigh on my hair. I just feel like it keeps it from breaking, and highly recommend this mask. This next product is like a classic when it comes to hairspray. So most people have probably used this before, but it is the L'Oreal Elnet Satin Extra Strong Hold Volume Hairspray. This really is awesome hold hairspray. I like the smell. It might be a little strong for some people, but I don't mind it. And this just gets the job done. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. Back to the products. I am going to mention one Drugstore shampoo and conditioner at the end. I also have the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner. This is the only shampoo and conditioner that I've been using if I'm not using purple shampoo and conditioner. Maybe that's weird. I feel like most people use their purple shampoo and conditioner more sparingly, but for me it's basically my regular shampoo and conditioner. Never made my hair purple or gray. I guess that depends on your type of hair though, because obviously everyone's hair is different. Everyone's hair can keep the ashiness or iciness easier than others. It's just about trying and figuring out what's best for your hair. This is just a great basic for strengthen. It just says repair, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. And yeah, it definitely doesn't damage my hair. It keeps my hair strong. And I really like this for my non-toner shampoo and conditioner. I also wanted to say that you definitely shouldn't buy from Amazon if you can avoid it, or at least do a lot of research on the seller, because they're sneaky. You will think it's fine and it's legit, and it will not be the same formula as if you were to buy from a legitimate retailer like an actual hair salon or Ulta. At this point, it's just not something I'm willing to do. I spend too much money on my hair to risk getting something where the formula is watered down or change just a little bit to where it will dry my hair more. I had hairstylists tell me not to buy from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I think you're still running a risk. And if you have like a hairstylist friend that can buy these for you at wholesale price and hook you up, like obviously we're not trying to use and abuse our hairstylist friends and be like that annoying friend that's always like, hey, get me your advice. But you know, if the opportunity presents itself where they're willing to help you out once, definitely take them up, because the products are half off basically when you do that. Okay, drum roll for the purple shampoo and conditioner. That is my favorite. That is the new PUREOLOGY Strength Cure Blonde Purple Shampoo and Conditioner Toning for brassy color treated hair. The ingredients in this are awesome. It's 100% vegan. Both the shampoo and conditioner are the same color purple, because if they're different colors, then that can potentially give you an uneven hair tone, which I've had a hairdresser tell me before. So I like how they're the same color. I get a really nice lather with the shampoo. I love the way they smell. It's a deep, deep violet, to the point where like when you're in the shower looking at the water running into your drain, it looks almost blue. It's such a deep purple. The conditioner is very moisturizing, and I love the way this tones my hair. I'll leave a link to a video below by a girl named Abbey who does a deep, in-depth review on this exact shampoo conditioner and the ingredients. She goes over how the dye that's used for the color purple isn't supposed to be harmful. There's really no harmful ingredients. She goes over the type of proteins and the type of antioxidants that are supposed to strengthen and repair your hair in it. She also goes over the one potentially drying ingredient, a certain type of alcohol, and she goes over how that's really nothing to fret over or to worry about because almost all high-end shampoos will at least have one of those. And I'm just gonna link them down below. So if you want a more in-depth review on these, then check that out. So let me just say the struggle is real. No, hairdressers will tell you all day to, you know, not use stuff from the drugstore, and I know they're right. It's just not always realistic to tell someone like you have to have all these products and have to all be high-end, but like you're blonde so you should be able to afford it. Like, come on, that's not realistic. The struggle was very real for me right after college. 22, 23, 24. It's hard to spend $40, $50 on like all these hair products, $30 here, $20 there, like it adds up. Luckily, I've gotten to where I don't have to wash my hair often, so really my products last me a really long time, which is great, and I think that's kind of the key, to be honest. But if you are looking for a shampoo and conditioner that is from the drugstore, don't tell a hairdresser I said to do this, okay? But I do like the Herbal Essences Bio-Renew Repair Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and conditioner. This stuff smells awesome, and I never felt like it really damaged my hair. Now, of course, I wasn't using it back to back to back every day, but I'm just saying, like, if you're really on a budget, like, no one's judging you if you gotta buy the purple shampoo from Target. I'm not judging you, okay? But sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. But I do like these for a drugstore option. We all have those friends with the most gorgeous, beautiful, long, thick, luscious locks that have been using Garnier Fructis every single day their whole life, and you're just like, how though? But typically those friends are not blonde either, so us blondes have to be there for each other. I see you, I respect you, I respect the blonde hustle. So thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.